Hey guys, in this lecture let me show you how I use Google Analytics to measure my efforts. So it's google.com/analytics. Click on sign in and you will have to use your Gmail account. My username password was already saved. And hopefully your web team or your web guy has your Google Analytics set up. I have access to hundreds of clients, so I have a lot of data here, but you may just see your own site. Let me pick one example. So let's look at this. So this is Google Analytics for one of my clients' blog. First thing you can do is you can select any time period that you want to check the data for. So let's just say I want to check from February till now, apply. And then this is your overall traffic to the website. And see how this is where we started all the strategies that we talked about in this course. This is where we started implementing those and we saw immediate results, how our average traffic got bumped up. Now go to the left hand side and I like to go to acquisition, social, and then overview. Now check this out. For this blog, our main source of social traffic is Facebook, then Twitter, Pinterest. We have done some stuff on community website Reddit, so there's some traffic coming from there. Some traffic, but not a whole lot, from content curation tool called Paperly, and then very small traffic from LinkedIn. So when I look at data like this, I know for this blog it makes sense to spend more time on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest as far as the social networks are concerned. And there is several other reports and data graphs that you can look at to read all the numbers behind your blog. Now let's take another example. I'm just going to pick another client of mine. So let's do this. And again, you can select any time frame that you like. And for this client, this is where we started implementing all these blogging strategies or promotional strategies, and you can see how the average traffic to the site got bumped up after we started implementing. And now let's go to acquisition, social, and then overview and see what's going on. Now this is really interesting. For this blog, most of the traffic is coming from LinkedIn. And we actually are using LinkedIn native publishing and LinkedIn group posting strategy to drive traffic. And it's working. We're getting a lot of traffic from LinkedIn, and then Facebook and Twitter are other two sources of good traffic for this blog. So you see how using Google Analytics can really tell you what's working and what's not working for your blog and where you need to spend more time. And there's one more thing I want to share. If you go to behavior and then site content and all pages, so this is the traffic to all of your pages or all of your blogs on your website. I like to read this data because if we are producing weekly content, this will tell me what's popular and what's not popular in my own audience that's reading my blog content. So this would tell me the content that we produced, early morning habits of successful people, that attracted almost 2,000 people, and some of the content was also popular. So you can take this data and produce more content that's similar or relevant to already successful blog posts.